to learn one of the most hottest topic in the AI, that is AI agents. And I still remember many people still thinking ChatGPT itself is an AI agent, but that's not completely true. An AI agent is much more powerful because it does not just answer the questions. It can actually perform the task, make decision, and use different tools and continue working until the goal is achieved. So by end of this video, I can bet you that you will easily learn what is an AI agent, how it works internally, then why it's different from ChatGPT, and how anyone can build one without even coding. So these are the things that you will be learning completely. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Otherwise, you can skip this video at the same time if you are someone who love to watch the Netflix and all that. But again, you just came here to learn something. So make sure to watch this video till the end because these are the things that you will be learning today. How can you actually build the AI agents? So without wasting time, let's go ahead. So first of all, an AI agent is what? So it's basically an AI system that actually thinks, use tools and continue working until it finishes a task. So in simplest language, I can say AI agent is equal to LLM plus tool plus loop. Okay. Now let's understand this thing so that you get the clarity basically what I actually want to tell you. Okay. Okay. So let's understand this thing. So you can consider LLM as a brain. Example, in brain, example includes ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. So its job is to just think, understand language, reason, and decide what to do. But always remember, the LLM cannot access the internet or your file by itself. Okay, it only just thinks. Then second is the tools. Tools is all about, now you can imagine you have a brain but no hands. Can you cook the food? The answer is no. Similarly, an LLM also needs tools. Example like Google search, calculator, Gmail, APIs. Okay, this tools allows the AI to actually perform actions because without that it can't perform the action. Okay, so all the things are getting interconnect. So you should know that yeah, it requires LLM, then it required tools. Just wait for a second. Yeah, it required tools, and last one is a loop. Now comes the most important part, that is a loop. Instead of answering once and stopping, the AI agent keep asking itself, "Am I finished? Should I search again? Should I use another tool?" These are the things that it actually asking you, and it repeats this process until the goal is completed. That's why AI agent feels very intelligent. That's the key reason. Okay, so let me give you a real life example so that you can easily connect with the topic. So let me give you the example. Imagine your teacher says, find the top 5 AI YouTube channels. Okay. So chatbot simply gives you 5 names. But if you have built an AI agent, it will literally search in Google. It will visit each websites, compare subscribers, read reviews, prepare a table, cite the resources, then deliver the final answer. So you can see the difference basically. Like if you build an AI agent, it will save a lot of your times basically. Okay. So now let's talk about chatbot versus AI agent. This is a very important slide, so make sure to pay attention in this. So many people confuse about ChatGPT with AI agents, but they are totally different. Let's compare it so that you will get the clarity. So let's understand this chatbot. Okay, what it actually means. Let me. Okay. So chatbot waits for your questions basically. So you ask, it answers, then it stops. That's it. This is how you can understand if you want to understand. So let's say if you have asked some question, it will answer it, then it will stop it. So it doesn't continue the working. Just for the example, you say like suggest 5 AI tools. So the chatbot replied once, then it has completely finished. Okay. But on the other hand, if I talk about the AI agents, now you can imagine asking an AI agent the same question that you have asked. It will, literally search Google, read blogs, watch YouTube summaries, compare the features, create a report, add citations, or maybe even like it will email your report also. So it keeps working until the task is completed. So I hope I have clear the things from my side, like what is a chat GPT and what is a AI agent, because there is a lot of difference between this both thing. A lot of people are thinking that it's same, but no, there is a lot of difference. Okay, so for the easy analogy, you can understand this thing also. Think about ordering, a food. A chatbot is like asking your friend which pizza is best, and he simply answers. An AI agent is like hiring a personal assistant, and you already know the personal assistant. Finds the restaurant, compares the prices. It will place the orders, and it will track delivery also without asking you every minute. So at the end from this slide, you can understand this thing by just simple thing. Chatbot just only gives the answer, and AI agents complete the task. Okay, so this is all about the difference between chatbot and AI agent. Let's go ahead. Just wait for a second. Okay, just wait guys. Yeah, building blocks of an AI agents. Let's understand this thing. Okay, so first one is a brain. Before that, as you already know, every AI agent has five important components. Okay, so the five components I will be explaining now. First one is a brain, that is LLM. It decides what should I do, which tools should I use, is the task completed or not. Okay, so it's kind of a brain. Second one is a tools. Like there are hands of the AI, we can say, without the tools means the AI cannot interact with the real world. Example like search Google, send emails, read PDF. These are the things AI can't do, right? So it's all about the tools. Then third core component is all about memory. Imagine you meet someone today. Tomorrow you remember their name. That's memory. Okay. Similarly, AI agents also remember the previous information. So like they don't forget everything after each steps. Okay, so I hope you got the point. Now fourth one is all about context window. So this is the AI's short term memory. It remembers your current conversation, recent instruction, tools output, but only for the limited amount of the information. Okay, then last one is a agent loop. This is the engine. It's keep repeating. It works like think, act, observe, think again until the work is finished. Okay, so this is a very important slide because I have covered the five core components which you should know about the AI agents. Okay, so just let me give you the human analogy so you will easily understand this thing. Because see, I know that you have completely understand this thing, but still, if you have any confusion, I will completely clear by this example. Okay, imagine you are making a tea. Okay, and you think like I need water. You pour water also, then you check it. Now you need milk, then sugar, then tea powder. So you repeat until the tea is ready. No? That's exactly how an AI agents work. I hope you got the clarity from this whole example. That's why I have just gave you this example so that you will get the clarity what I actually want to tell. Okay. So yeah, this is all about this thing. Okay, and a lot of other things are there, four ways, and just wait. I will be covering this thing from my side, like how AI agent works. Let's understand this thing. So see, every AI agent is a continuous feedback loop. Okay, the agent receives the goal, thinks about what to do, calls a tool, observe the results, and decide whether to continue. All without human interaction. Okay, so this is all about the how AI agents actually work. So okay, so it will first think and plan, then it will call tools, observe and decide, and receive the code. Okay. The next slide is all about important concept. LLM, the brain, tools, calling. I think I have already covered this thing from my side. What is short-term memory also? So let's go ahead. Memory and drag overcoming context limit. Okay. Now let's understand this thing because this is a very important slide. That is the agent loop in detail. Agent loop is what makes AI agent autonomous. Unlike a chatbot that responds once, the agent continues to like evaluate whether its goal is meet and only stops when it is. I hope you got the point. Basically, what it is telling is AI agent is all about not only respond once, but AI agent is like continuously evolves whether its goal is to meet or only want to stop it. Okay. So how it works? So this is a whole process. You can completely observe this thing. Think, use tools. Just wait for a second. Yeah. use tools, observe results, define goals, decide, continue or finish. And this loop is defining characteristics of an AI agent. So the ability to self-control and retry is what enables true autonomy. Now, 4 ways to build AI agents. So let's understand this thing. And I think this is the very important slide, because from here we will be understanding that how can you actually build your AI agent. Okay. Now again, here I have given the different categories. So let's understand this thing. So see, how do we build one? Okay, let's understand this thing, because again, lot of things you have to understand in this particular topic. Okay, so see, the good news is that like there isn't just one way. There are 4 different ways to build AI agents depending on your technical skills. 4 ways. So these are the 4 ways. Okay, first one is a no code beginner level. You can imagine like you want to build a website. You can either write code from scratch or use a website builder also. Similarly, in AI, no code platform let you build AI agents without writing any programming code. So you don't like need to write the programming code, and you can build the AI agent. Like you can simply drag drop and configure different blocks. Some popular no code tools. Let me just give you the example. Some are like Lindy AI, then Bootpress, OpenAI, Agent Builder. So these are the no code platform where you can easily build your own AI agents. Okay. Let's go for the second one, that is no code. It's an intermediate level. So it's a no code is the next level where most of the work is still visual, but sometimes you need to write a small amount of code or you know configure APIs. You can think of it like assembling furniture. Most parts are already ready, but you just connect them together. Popular tools here are like I can say Anytime, Flowwise, then Diffie. These are the some example of a low code AI agents. Like third one is agent harness. So agent harness, are framework that already provides the structure for AI agents. So instead of building everything from scratch, you use a ready-made framework and customize it. Some popular tools are Hermes and OpenClaw. Okay, and then we are talking about the fourth one, that is full code. Now here is a very most powerful way, because here you build everything yourself using programming language like Python. So you have complete control over logic, like then memory, then tools, APIs, agent behavior. So its popular technologies include like Python, LangGraph, OpenAI. Okay, so this is all about this thing. I hope you got the point. Now let's go ahead. Some popular tools for building AI agents, which I have already covered if I'm not wrong. Okay. So yeah, this is all about how can you build the AI agent. I hope you got the value. If you have any question, you can completely tell me in the comment section, and you can also like share your thoughts on the comment box at the same time, so that we will come to know like, yeah, in which topic do you want the videos, so that we will make on that particular video. Okay, or I can say we will make the videos on that topic that you will be telling. Okay, but if you are not telling in which topic you have interested, then again it's very difficult for us to you know make the videos. We will make the videos, we don't have any issue, but the thing, you can tell your thoughts basically in which topics do you want videos. Okay, so yeah, that's all from my side. See you in the next video. Till then, if you have any question, then you can ask in the comment. Okay, see you in the next video.